So when you're driving in your car, right, there's this giant window in front of you, the dash, right? But then there's also this really small mirror called the rear view mirror. The dash shows you what's in front of you. The rear view mirror shows you what's behind you. But what would happen if you stop looking forward? You're gonna crash. The mirror that shows you what's behind you is only for reference. In other words, you look at it quickly, you get an idea of what's behind you, you learn from it, but you better keep your eyes on the road. So this is something we always have to remember about our past. We can reference it, we can learn from it, but we can't live there and we can't get stuck there. It is a place of